What's going on, guys? It's a crank new start. It's got a ground issue. Got the injectors. Injector's good now. And that's what's going on, guys. I found it. I just took the coating off. I tested it out. This is the wire ground for the ECU. And it ran. Car running. I just gotta tape it up. That's it. I was just testing it out. Everything is good. Everything done.
Yes.
Our bro got his blue collar shirt on. Yeah, his car running good. Fan work, everything. Hey, yo, start the car real quick.
It's on.
No, cut it off and start it up. Start it. That's it. All right, we good. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Yo, I'm so fucking happy.